In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a credit card with Cumberland Building Society online in 2025. Though Cumberland doesn't currently offer credit cards, they do provide a variety of current and savings accounts. I'll guide you through the process of applying for an account with them effortlessly. To start, it's important to ensure that you meet the eligibility requirements before proceeding with your application. You need to be at least 18 years old and a resident of the UK. Having a good credit history is essential to boost your chances of success, and you'll need to demonstrate a regular income. Take a moment to reflect on these requirements to determine if you qualify. Once you're confident that you meet the eligibility criteria, the next step involves preparing the necessary documents. Gather a valid photo ID such as your passport or driving license. Additionally, you'll require proof of address, which can be any recent utility bill or bank statement. Lastly, prepare proof of income, which could be copies of your payslips or recent bank statements. Having these documents readily available will make the application process smoother and quicker. Now let's get into the online application process itself. First, visit the Cumberland Building Society's website and decide whether you want to open a savings or a current account. Once you've made your decision, click on the option labeled Find Out More beside the type of account you're interested in. This will navigate you to a new web page where you'll need to choose how you'd like to open the account, whether by telephone, in a branch, or online. For the purpose of this tutorial, select the online option and proceed by clicking Open an Account. On the subsequent web page, you'll be presented with an application form. Fill out all the required details meticulously to complete your application. Double-check the information to ensure it's accurate and up to date, which can help avoid potential delays in processing. After submitting your application, you'll need to exercise a bit of patience while waiting for a decision. Typically, it takes about 5 to 10 business days for your application to be reviewed. You'll receive the outcome notification via email or post, so keep an eye out for any correspondence during this period. Finally, once your application is approved, your card will be mailed directly to your address. Upon receiving it, you'll need to follow the enclosed instructions to activate your card. Activating it promptly will enable you to start enjoying the benefits of your new account right away. That wraps up our guide on applying for a credit card, or rather, an account, with Cumberland Building Society online. Hopefully, this has provided you with a clear understanding of the process, ensuring a stress-free application experience. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your application.